Is your wall a masterpiece or just a visual void? Sparkles. Most people hang things just to fill space. I create architectural anchors. Today, we're decoding the vertical revelation. From DIY wall art that actually looks expensive, to simple storage solutions that slay. Let's turn your bare walls into a designer statement. Welcome back to your channel, your home for organic modernism and tactile luxury. I'm Beki. If you've ever made a DIY project only to realize it looks a little crafty for your taste, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering aesthetic wall decor that is cheap and easy, but looks like it came from a high-end gallery. We're building shelves that serve a purpose and art that breathes soul into your room. If you're ready to stay grounded while reaching new heights, let's dive in. Designer Secret 1. The gallery, canvas, art worth hanging. Luxury begins with scale and texture. If you want art that is actually worth hanging up, we have to move away from those tiny, lonely prints and toward tactile presence. For this project, we're creating an oversized, plaster relief canvas. We're using joint compound and a simple wide tooth comb to create organic, sweeping ridges. Now, here is my designer's secret. Placement is everything. Use the golden ratio for your hanging height. The vertical center of your art should be exactly 57 inches from the floor. That is the universal eye level standard. It creates a sophisticated focal point that anchors the entire room's energy and makes your DIY look like a high-end gallery. Designer Secret 2. Biophilic weaving, the aesthetic wall hanging. Next, we're practicing material dialogue by bringing the outdoors in. We're creating a floating botanical wall hanging. The project uses driftwood and velvet cord, a soft, luxe texture paired with a raw, natural one. Instead of a traditional, busy macrame, we're using linear rhythm. By hanging simple, varying lengths of cord with air plants or dried eucalyptus, we create a restorative flow. It feels organic and modern rather than crafty. It's about letting the materials breathe. Designer Secret 3. The functional anchor, the magnetic key holder. In 2026, your entryway shouldn't be a clutter zone. It should be a designer transition. We're making a floating block key holder. We're taking a scrap piece of hardwood and hiding high-strength magnets inside the back of the wood. This is Material Alchemy. Because the magnets are hidden, your keys appear to defy gravity. It provides tactile integrity and keeps your entryway looking like a high-end hotel lobby for under $5. It's functional art at its finest. Designer Secret 4. Floating architecture, simple wall shelves. Simple storage doesn't have to be boring. We're using negative space as our primary design tool. We're building hidden shelves using L brackets that make your books look like they're part of the wall itself. Here's the designer's secret. Ensure your shelving follows a monochromatic dialogue. Paint those brackets the exact same color and finish as your wall. This makes the hardware disappear, allowing the shelf to act as an architectural statement rather than just a storage unit. Designer Secret 5. Shadow architecture, the final reveal. The final 10% is what I call shadow architecture. A shelf or a piece of art is just an object until it has a silhouette. For our final step, we're placing a small, warm-toned LED puck light above your new wall hanging or shelf. By casting that light downward, you emphasize the ridges and textures we've worked so hard to create. This turns your simple storage into a breathtaking installation the moment the sun goes down. It's not just decor anymore, it's an atmosphere. As you look at your new walls today, I hope you see more than just decor. I hope you see a space that finally speaks your language. We don't need a massive budget to create a sanctuary. We just need the courage to be intentional with our own two hands. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more soulful, grounded home is the heart of this channel. If you're ready for your own vertical revelation, please subscribe and let me know in the comments which wall in your house is getting a makeover first. I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded.